Alright, so this video is to show people what it sounds like on a 6.1 liter SRT8 Charger, or Challenger I'm sure too, with only the rear resonator delete, but not with the mid-muffler, quote, suitcase delete. This is what it sounds like from the inside with windows down at idle. And of course, the title says this is the binaural audio, so you can hear what it sounds like with headphones on, the exact same way I'm hearing it, with sounds left and right. I'm gonna put the phone down a second, so this lady doesn't want to be on camera, I'm sure. So I have 117,000 miles on it. And this is with windows up, obviously. You might hear some, like a whirring noise. Pretty sure that's my rear diff or carrier bearing or something. And also, if anybody ever wants one of these radios, it's a Jensen Car 1000. If you put it in your car, it fits very well. It looks good. The only issue is it covers those two vents a little bit, and so you have to face them upwards. But other than that, it's been probably the radio or head unit that I've enjoyed the most out of most of my cars that have aftermarket radios. Plus it was like $400. So I'm going to get onto it, and then I'm going to put the windows down so you can get good sound for what it sounds like with the windows down. Obviously that's windows up. It definitely has a good muscular sound to it without being overbearing or really drony at all. I'm going to do a U-turn up here. We'll get a sound for the other direction with the windows down. Give it a second. Only delete exhaust sounds like in a completely stock, otherwise 6.1 Charger.